Hi, I'm Natalie Ramos with Edinburg CIZ Media. February marks Financial Aid Awareness Month. We visited Edinburg North High School to see how our seniors are securing their future. We spoke with financial aid advisor Laura Luna along with the senior to talk about the importance of how financial aid can impact their future. Let's check it out.
Financial aid is a federal application used for our students to complete their financial aid to assist them with any fees that may occur through their tuition and as well as to complete the graduation requirement to graduate from ECISD. The importance of financial aid is that it, one, be completed for your graduation requirement as mentioned before, but second, it's also an application that helps our students see if they qualify for federal financial assistance, which is your Pell Grants, to see if they qualify for assistance to pay for the tuition that they owe, or if they don't qualify for that, they also qualify for subsidized and unsubsidized loans through the federal program. We bring in students daily and we assist them with their applications, so that way we can make sure that their parents are welcome as well, and we assist both of them together in completing the forms. There is a portion that the students fill out as well as the parent, that way the parent's able to sign their information since they are minors. We also assist them here with scholarship applications, so we help them with their applications for privately owned scholarships that the donors give back to our community, to ECISD.
And he's going to have you do all the things.
Our financial aid advisor has helped me a lot with turning in transcripts and scholarship applications and even FAFSA, which are all necessary to receive financial aid, including my Questbridge scholarship to Rice University. She helped me fill a lot of that stuff out.
Advisors recommend not to leave free money on the table. If you need help, your high school advisor is ready to assist. I'm Natalie Ramos with Edinburg CIZ Media, simply the best.